Today is the official start of the Masters tournament, so we decided that we're going to make the official cocktail of the Masters, which is the Azalea. Now, fun fact, there are two versions of this cocktail. I am going in blind. I did not make these ahead of time, so we're going to see which one of these two cocktails is actually going to be my favorite. We're going to start with the official cocktail of the Masters, the Azalea, and this one is from the Masters. We're going to start off, this is going to be a build-in glass, so we'll start off with 1/2 ounce of Grenadine. It's going to go at the very, very bottom. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put ice directly into our glass. Carefully. Hope everyone can appreciate my golf outfit. I do actually golf, people. Whether I'm good at it, that's a whole nother story. Okay, so then we're going to do a full 1.5 ounces of vodka. I'm sorry, yes, 1 1/4. I'm sorry. It's 1 1/4. Sorry, I just like booze, apparently.
Put the whole bottle in.
Don't tempt me. All right, now here's where it gets interesting. We're going to do 5 full ounces of lemonade. So there's 2. 4 and 5. Beautiful. Now, this particular, what's the word I want to say? Variation, thank you. Calls for a maraschino cherry and an orange slice. Like that. Oh, it's falling off. Haha, it stayed. I don't know. Okay, so now we're going to do the other variation of it. I know it's a little short in our glass, but it is what it is. I don't have a master's glass, I'm sorry. Okay, this is not going to be a built-in glass, but it is still going to go in that highball. Excuse me. This one is going to be shaken. Excuse me, I'm dying. Now, this one's going to use more of like fresh juices. So we're going to forego the lemonade. But this one, we're going to do 1/2 ounce again of the Grenadine. This one is going to be 2 ounces of vodka. Then 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And then last but not least, 1 full ounce of lemon juice. Fresh squeezed, of course. If you're coming at me with that concentrate nonsense, you can just vacate instantly. Okay, we're going to fill the shaker tin up with ice. Shake until it's ice cold in our hands or for about 15 to 20 seconds. This is not my normal shaker tin. I don't like it. Not sure who was in charge of this set today, but they used the bad one.
I was playing.
This is what happens when you play. All right. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to put ice into our highball glass because we use that fresh juice and especially because we use that pineapple juice. We are going to use our mesh strainer as well as our Hawthorne strainer. Okay. And oddly enough, this one has a slightly different garnish. This one calls for a maraschino cherry and a lemon wedge, or lemon slice. I'm going to go with a lemon slice. That's what we're going to call it. I'm going to stick it on the top. It'll stay. It's not going to stay.
Stick it in there.
Voila! Okay. So here are our 2 variations. We have our shaken Azalea, And then we have our build-in glass Azalea, both of which are completely acceptable. One is just from the Masters, and the other one is a little bit of a different variation with those fresh juices. We're going to taste test now. I'm shaking, or I'm going to stir that, because otherwise we're going to have some issues, because I'm going to have a bunch of vodka and grenadine sitting at the bottom. And it's going to be a real oh no, my garnish fell in. Don't judge me.
The official one.
Just calm your cookies. I gotta get my garnish back out. It fell in. It said to heck with this nonsense. Fix yourself. Fix yourself. My goodness. Okay, there we go. All right, so this is the official one. This one was built in glass. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think that one's gonna be my favorite. I am not a huge fan of using anything but fresh juices, but I am bougie, so it is good, don't get me wrong, but the lemonade's just not as sharp, so it kind of falls a little flat for me personally. Don't get me wrong, give it a try at home if you really enjoy a lemonade, like a pre-made lemonade might be right up your alley. Not my jam, just gonna say it all loud. Okay, so then this one is the shaken Azalea, which has the fresh juices in it and a little bit of pineapple. Oh, interesting. Okay. Not gonna lie, I don't know if I really care for either of them, to be honest with you. So the shaken one, I was expecting it to be a bit sweeter. Like this one is going to be on the sweeter side for sure, just because of the pre-made lemonade. This one, because it has the pineapple juice, I was expecting it to be sweeter. It's actually not that sweet. The lemon juice is cutting through hard. It's actually really tart. Very refreshing. But for me, I would probably want just a little bit of simple syrup, but that's just me. Again, both very good cocktails. I don't know if I really like one over the other. Quick update. I added 0.5 ounces of simple syrup to the shaken Azalea. It is now my favorite. So, let me know what you guys think and which one. If you try both of them, I recommend trying both of them because they definitely have their good things and their bad things with each of them. But if you enjoy the content, you enjoy seeing my gorgeous face, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, I will have the ingredients for both cocktails listed below. Until the next pour, cheers!